Your question is Assertion A. The Constitution of India has become the longest one. Reason R. The chapter on fundamental rights has been borrowed from the model of American Constitution. Choose the correct answer using the code given below. Quote A. Both A and R are true, but R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. Or D. A is false, but R is true. Right answer is B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Your question is the concept of fundamental duties has been taken from. Your options are A. American Constitution, B. British Constitution, C. Russian former Soviet Union Constitution, or D. French Constitution. Right answer is C. Russian former Soviet Union Constitution. Your question is the idea of fundamental rights was borrowed from the constitution of. Your options are A. USA, B. Canada, C. Britain, or D. Russia. Right answer is A. USA. Your question is in given representation to talent, experience, and service in the composition of the councils of states, the constitution makers of India were influenced by the example of. Your options are A. Irish Republic, B. Canada, C. USA, or D. Australia. Right answer is A. Irish Republic. Your question is Indian constitution has taken a certain feature of the constitution of other countries. Which country has contributed to the framing of the directive principles of state policy? Your options are A. France, B. Ireland, C. Japan, or D. USA. Right answer is B. Ireland. Your question is the concept of the directive principles of state policy in the Indian constitution has been adopted from the constitution of. Your options are A. France, B. Ireland, C. Japan, or D. USSR. Right answer is B. Ireland. Your question is the concept of concurrent list in the Constitution of India was borrowed from the Constitution of. Your options are A. Great Britain, B. USA, C. Canada, or D. Australia. Right answer is D. Australia. Your question is the system of judicial review exists in. Your options are A. India only, B. USA only, C. India and USA, or D. UK only. Right answer is C. India and USA. Your question is which one of the following is not correctly matched? Provisions, sources. A. Fundamental rights, USA. B. Directive principles of state policy, Ireland. C. Residual powers of center, Australia. Or D. Emergency powers, Germany. Right answer is C. Residual powers of center, Australia. Your question is the framers of the Constitution of India borrowed the concept of the concurrent list described in the 7th schedule from the Constitution of. Your options are A. Canada, B. Australia, C. Italy, or D. South Africa. Right answer is B. Australia. Your question is among the following given names whose portfolio in the first cabinet of India 1947 was different from his portfolio in the interim government 1946. First, Jagjeevan Ram. Second, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Third, C. H. Bhabha. Fourth, Sardar Baldev Singh. A. Only 1 and 2. B. Only 3 and 4. C. Only 1 and 3. Or D. Only 3. Right answer is D. Only 3. C. H. Bhabha. Your question is the idea of concurrent list in the Indian Constitution has been borrowed from. Your options are A. USA, B. Switzerland, C. Australia, or D. USSR. Right answer is C. Australia. Your question is the tradition of written constitution began from which of the following countries? Your options are A. Japan, B. India, C. Britain, or D. America. Right answer is D. America.